In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When your app is ready, open it and hit OK in welcome pop-up. Then you can make sure that Infinite is on by tapping on Timeout. When you finished, close your app and go into Tap menu. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Edit Shortcut Switch. Finally, you can find your Caffeine shortcut over here and add it to Tap menu. Then go back, click on your new shortcut and wait. As you can see, mine just turned blue. That means that Infinite Sleep Time is on, but you can always switch it off by hitting the same tile again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!